Thousands gathered to witness sacred rituals honoring ancestral spirits at Beding Klang Festival. Central Empowered Committee inspects environmental damage in Ribhoi district. And Meghalaya earns runner-up glory with medal haul at National Arm Wrestling Championship. The news in detail. The Beding Klang Festival reached a spiritual climax today at Aim Aitnar as thousands gathered to witness sacred rituals honoring ancestral spirits and celebrating unity in faith and culture. The day began with tributes to Kakur, Sukpo and Jowai's first settlers, followed by the Kachok Tandai blessing ritual performed at Yung Langdo. At midday, a grand procession led by Upator and Udaloy entered the sacred Aitnar pool with elaborately crafted rods or a symbolic wooden structure symbolizing community strength and artistic heritage. This year's ceremony was attended by dignitaries including Deputy Chief Minister Sniab Halang Dhar, MP Rajya Sabha W.R. Kharlukhi, Cabinet Ministers Dr. Amprin Lingdo, Kermen Shilla, as well as Jowai local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, MDC, JHADC and other dignitaries, amplifying the festival's message of peace, spirituality and cultural preservation.
Mom celebrate we calling him three. Overall, we calling the other denomination language gateto I culture jo practice aga state ko mayaga yung Kubai chibon yawaro kija inyam gu lang legacy. This is the symbol of unity. We are one.
On a petition filed by Assam resident Jitul Deka regarding environmental destruction allegedly linked to flooding in Guwahati, the Supreme Court appointed Central Empowered Committee conducted a detailed inspection in the killing area of Meghalaya's Ribhoi district on 11 July. The committee visited locations including USTM and nearby stone quarries to investigate. Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Bharanwal confirmed that the district administration, upon being alerted by the State Forest Department, provided magistrates and police personnel to ensure the visit proceeded smoothly and without public disruption.
His claim is that this deforestation is leading to floods in Guwahati, as a result of which some committee has been, a Central Empowered Committee has been constituted by Supreme Court, and on 11, that Central Empowered Committee undertook its field inspection in the killing area as well as USTM and some of the mining areas. We received information from the Forest Department since this matter of deforestation or the alleged earth cutting, etc., they fall in the domain of Forest Department. So the Central Empowered Committee coordinated with the Forest Department. We received information from them regarding this visit. So that's why we have deputed one magistrate and made some law and order arrangements.
A rising wave of high-speed bike stunts on National Highway 6 has prompted safety concerns, particularly on Sundays. On Sunday, Nongpok Police launched a crackdown along the highway, detaining several youths who were using the road as a stunt arena. Despite repeated warnings and enforcement efforts, the trend persists, with a serious accident reported during the latest operation. A two-wheeler ML05K 3280 overturned due to overspeeding, leaving both rider and pillion passenger seriously injured. Authorities urge young riders to avoid dangerous stunts on public roads, pledging stricter monitoring and penalties to ensure commuter safety.
masak sor selong anang kendong hai ne gari kasi jungi sel bha na do menta pek hai ji kun ki banyak ka bai rem matit bai rem pa tan punya show strok national 6 ngasusi man pau khwat jung ki da ka buram ngagar pradi pi ba pimdai banailat hakasi sondele bakin mi sabar bakin mi belai chas strok song bha shim ya sabi ka bai jong kun pi bori yau nang ba nam don kanoro jing ya si ngak pat ipi pa to simkia yang ikut ba penlat nang nong jing ja susi penlat nang nong jing aksen.
Ribhoi district continues to witness frequent road accidents on National Highway 6, with another incident reported on Monday around 9 a.m. A Mahindra Bolero AS01 EH2052 carrying female passengers overturned near the Sobhala area under Umsning police station. Eyewitnesses claimed the vehicle was speeding and lost control, raising concerns of alcohol influence. Umsning police responded swiftly, conducted a preliminary investigation and towed the vehicle to the station. Art spills into the streets of Shillong, where public murals are becoming powerful symbols of cultural identity and social connection. Led by East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, initiatives like the Root and Rhythm mural near the DC's office vividly celebrate tribal heritage and community spirit. In Yodo Market, vibrant depictions of daily life and folklore burst from concrete walls, weaving stories of resilience and tradition. These murals, alongside artisan-crafted textiles dyed with natural pigments, breathe life into the city's identity, turning public spaces into living canvases of history, pride and creativity.
Here, like the artists which this company has involved are local artists. So yes, as you say, like local artists are being engaged, and it's encouraging to see that side by side we are beautifying the city, and also we saying like our local artists are being recognized, right? And our wall was painted by Mario Matau, yeah. So he is one of the leading artists right now. So he has done this wall for us. These are a few things. They are changes they signify, and it looks good also for the office. It kind of some may call it a park. Somebody says it looks like a zoo or something, but it's okay. It's the opinion doesn't matter, but the significance is more important for us.
India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar met Chinese Vice President Han Zheng today, stressing the need for continued normalization of India-China relations amid global complexities. Dr. Jaishankar noted that ties have gradually improved since last year's Modi-Xi meeting in Kazan and expressed hope for further progress through current talks. He welcomed the resumption of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra and pledged India's support for China's leadership of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, or SCO. The minister also met SCO Secretary General Nurlan Yermekbayev to discuss the group's modernization efforts ahead of tomorrow's Foreign Ministers Summit in Tianjin. India marks 2 years since the launch of Chandrayaan-3, a milestone in the nation's space exploration journey. On 14 July 2023, ISRO's LVM-3M4 rocket carried the mission into orbit with a goal of landing near the moon's south pole, a feat never before achieved. On 23 August 2023, India became the first country to successfully execute a soft landing in the lunar South Pole region and the fourth overall to land on the moon. Featuring an indigenous propulsion module lander and rover, Chandrayaan-3 demonstrated advanced technologies for future interplanetary missions, reinforcing India's growing prowess in space science. Team Meghalaya delivered a powerhouse performance at the National Arm Wrestling Championship held from June 28 to July 2, 2025 in Thrissur, Kerala, clinching an impressive total of 52 medals. The 52-member squad representing the Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association, or MAWA, included 22 women and several para-athletes who competed across diverse categories. The team bagged 25 gold, 15 silver and 12 bronze medals, with para-athletes contributing 14 golds, 3 silvers and 1 bronze to the tally.
Referees, team official, long san punyongut baro, besimenta pat ilong sanpo armut, ki bawanra jingjap ki dele armut, but ki medals pat ilong khasan tili gold. Khatsantali silver, but khatartli bronze. Kentai arpo armut, matam gidi kisindang.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature of 24 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, relative humidity of 80% and rainfall of 12 mm were recorded today. Moving on to Shillong, 19 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 23 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature, 76% of relative humidity were recorded, also rainfall of 9 mm. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 82% and rainfall 8 mm. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a quick look at the headlines once again. Thousands gathered to witness sacred rituals honoring ancestral spirits at Beding Klum Festival. Central Empowered Committee inspects environmental damage in Ribhoi district. And Meghalaya earns runner-up glory with medal haul at National Arm Wrestling Championship. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until we meet again tomorrow, thank you for watching. Good night.